Hello, I'm Kevin with IndySoft Support, and we'll be hosting today's Tip Tuesday. Today's subject will be about a new print builder option added to version 13.0.18. So if I go here, all right, so I have 13.0.18 installed. And prior to this version, if you had any issues with images not displaying clearly on the generated PDF documents, or maybe you had some Unicode values that didn't display correctly on the PDF certificate, you would need to go into PrintBuilder and adjust some settings for each certificate template or other templates for that matter. Of course, you would go here, go into PrintBuilder and open it up. I already have mine open. So here's the certificate that is giving you, causing issues. So if you go to main certificates, report, go down to properties for report and scroll down to PDF settings, expand that. And there's a couple settings in here, one of which is font encoding. So if you're having problems with Unicode characters displaying incorrectly, you would just select Unicode here. Okay. Or if you had some of the images on your PDF not displaying clearly or a little fuzzy, then you could go down here to the scaled images and you could uncheck that option there, and that would clear up your images. However, you had to do that for each template, each certificate template, each worksheet, whatever. So what we've done is we've added an option to PrintBuilder right here. And it's this little gear icon. And this is the global document settings, global PDF output settings. So if you click on that, you basically have 6 options here that you can deal with or that you can set globally. And over on the right hand side, it gives you a description of those options. So for example, if you had image issues, then you could uncheck that. If you had problems with Unicode characters displaying improperly, then you could click this, use the subset option here, and then change the font encoding to Unicode. All right. And then you have some compression level settings, so on and so forth. Once you've gotten that set, you click OK, and that will change all your certificates. So go back into my standard properties for report, expand out my PDF settings. This should be set to Unicode, which it is, and this should be unchecked. Okay. If you had some templates that, I guess, exceptions to these global equipment change or these global PDF output settings, you could right-click on the template and select Override Global PDF Output Settings. So once you've ticked that on, it's now enabled. You can go in, just like I showed you before, go in to your PDF options, and you could change these to different settings from the global setting, and it would only affect this particular template. So, new feature. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Also, if you look at the release notes for version 13.0.18, there's a video on this as well. Goes into maybe a little bit more detail, and that would help you out as well. So, have a good day.